it's just that gun.
Range is clear. You're good to load and make ready.
Oh, that's some shit ass draws right there.
I had to fucking bust out my 1911 again the other day. We've got a site at work where we're not allowed to.
Are you ready?
Shooters ready.
Stand by.
There's a skiff there. I can't wear my wristwatch.
If finished, unload shall clear. If clear, sight forward, pull the trigger and holster. 971, range is clear. Hey.
Nice.
Hey, no air gunning.
No air gunning.
Keyhole? Oh wait, no, that's just 45.
Big bullet.
1 Charlie, 1 Delta. 1 Charlie.
No problem.
3 Alpha.
Yeah. 1 Charlie.
All right, I'm okay
3
with
Alpha,
that.
1 Charlie.
I called the mic on the 1, so I mean, I'll take that shit.
Nice run, man.
Thank you. Yeah, check out my Frenchie shirt. Got that dog in him.
Get the RXM fucking 4.5-inch slide because it'll fit on
What the fuck are you doing?
You didn't say load and make ready.
What the fuck? Are you air gunning? No air gunning.
Wasn't an air gun. What? Wasn't an air gun.
Fine, I'm air rocking.
That's better. That's allowed. All right. Range is clear. You're gonna load and make ready.
Well, no, I don't look for the shots though. Otherwise, I do always confirm. I spend rounds.
All right.
See, I have a lot of trouble
Are you ready?
Shooters ready.
Stand by.
shooting precision targets and shooting thick close.
Bullshit.
Hit it again. Then drop.
Oh shit. 45 power, baby.
If finished, unload shall clear. Clear, slide forward, pull the trigger and a holster. Range is clear.
Yeah, that one was on the target.
I seen that mag fall out. James goes, "Oh shit!" And I was like, "I'm gonna go get that."
How the fuck did it fall out?
I'm not allowed to help. I'm not in his gunfight.
I think you must have moved it when you grabbed your other one.
Double Alpha. Double Alpha. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Charlie Mike. Alpha Charlie.
Ooh.
Charlie Mike.
Charlie Mike.
Better than no shoot.
Charlie Mike.
Woo woo.
Got them Hiroshimas.
Yeah.
Catch them all.
Kyle, gotta channel the Frenchie power.
Frenchie power.
Range is clear. You're good to load and make ready. No air gunning.
I do what I want. I do what I want.
Are you ready?
Shooter is ready.
Stand by.
Standing by.
There you go. Okay. All right. Okay. If finished, unload shall clear. If clear, slide forward, pull trigger, and holster. Range is clear. 1856.
God damn.
God damn.
Thank you, sir.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Go get these up and
Right, set this into the strap.
What, you're not shooting full power Federals, baby? Oh, shit. 18 rounds, 18 shells you should find.
Brass
I
goblin.
don't think I got that many.
You too?